Hi, welcome back to my channel. First and foremost, thank you so much for all the love, all the feedback, all the likes, all the comments that you've been giving me. It truly means a lot to me and keeps me motivated to keep coming back to you. If this is the first time you're visiting my channel, can I request you to please hit the subscribe button and the notification so that you know whenever I do my next video. Moving on to our today's video, which is what is ACCA membership and should we really go for the ACCA membership? So first and foremost, how do you go for the ACCA membership? Remember, ACCA is about 3 E's: the exams, EPSM or ethics, and your experience. So once you're done with your 13 papers, right, make sure that you've done your EPSM module and then also your 36 months of work experience. Once you're done with your 36 months of work experience, along with the objectives that you need to meet, there are total 9 of them, of which 4 are technical objectives, right? So once you have met all of those objectives, apply for your membership. Now, if you are someone who's wondering what these objectives am I talking about, I have actually done one video on the PER, so do look at that. And I also intend to do another one a bit more detailed in due course of time, but you can look at that video in the meantime and understand what objectives I'm talking about, right? So once you're done with the 36 months of experience, your objectives are met, you should be able to apply for the membership. Now, why should you apply for a membership? Probably one of the biggest and the most sensible reason behind that is it is only then you're able to use those golden letters ACCA in front of your name, right? You have spent so much time, you've spent so much energy, monies, and the sleepless nights, right? The anxiety to get this ACCA in front of your name. And if you're not gonna apply for the membership, then what's the point, right? So therefore, if you want to use the ACCA in front of your name, you will need to apply for the membership. And if you've already applied for the membership, then you need to keep renewing it, right? So therefore, ACCA membership would mean that you can use those golden letters in front of your name. Now, does it really make sense that, do you really have to have those golden letters? Yes, absolutely. You are in the today's world networking. You are in the world where people look at you through your qualifications, unfortunately, right? So if you're on LinkedIn, if you are looking for jobs and you have ACCA in front of your name, there is a very big possibility that the HR might spot you and connect with you because they were looking for someone who is an ACCA, right? So therefore, it truly helps you in landing better career opportunities, networking with people, especially on social media, and who knows which connection can take you where, right? Second thing is that ACCA is known for ethics, right? So even if you're not looking for jobs, etc., it does give the world an impression that they are talking to someone who's very well known for ethics, right? And trust me, if you look around, ESG is everywhere, and a big chunk of ESG will only come if you are ethical, right? So therefore, ethics is synonymous with ACCA. Therefore, feel free to show off, right? The next thing is that ACCA provides a lot of insights to its members, students, and affiliates, right? You get regularly something called as AB Connect, which is like a magazine, and it's a soft copy. It comes into your email, and it will give you insights to what's happening around the globe. Now, for someone like me who may be only looking at newspapers, which are more of an Indian context, these magazines are an absolute trove of news that you can really use on day-to-day basis, right? There's so much there that you can use, and I feel that if these magazines are available, it makes your life a lot less troublesome to keep yourself updated, right? So therefore, lots of insights, lots of research gets done, which gets shared with the ACCA members. Then probably another very important reason to apply for the membership is that ACCA networking events, now they happen throughout the year. A lot of them will happen virtually, right? Because you will have lots of speakers who are not even from India, right? So because you are part of a global member body, right? So you will have a lot of these members who are sitting out of US, UK, Europe, Australia, China, Singapore, right? So be ready to connect with these members who are there. outside India. But at the same time, you will also have networking events within India. There could be dinners, there could be lunches, right? So, and that is where you get to see so many like-minded people. And again, it's a big motivation for me, because when I go out there and I see all of these kids doing so well, right, and who were struggling only a few years ago, and now they're doing so well because they're an ACCA, it just motivates me so much more, and it will motivate you so much more to do better in your lives, right? So therefore, these networking events, and again, networking, right, who knows that one meeting at that dinner could lead you to the next dream job of yours, right? So networking events. And then lastly, probably again something that I always have enjoyed, and I do that, from time to time, is search my name on the members tab and see if my name comes up, right? So that's another good way to actually get yourself validated that yes, I'm an ACCA member. You're there on their website, so anyone wants to do a background check on you, if you are an ACCA member, straight away people know that you are someone who has the qualification, who has the expertise, who has the ethics, right? So it makes your life so much more easier, right? Look, I did make a mistake. I completed my ACCA in 2007 and I applied for membership in 2011 end somewhere, or 2012, right? Because no one really told me all these things. I could have become a member a lot earlier, because I was always working. I could have used that experience, right? And no one really told me about these things, right? But because I have so many of students, professionals who reach out to me, I thought I'll make this video. So I hope you find this video useful. If you do, can I request you to share it forward so that more and more people can benefit from it? And all the very best. Thank you.